Hi guys, just a little quick instructional video on how to use a Tassimo Bosch coffee machine. It does have the Tassimo IntelliBrew technology built into it. So here we go. If you look on these, we'll say me first. It's got the barcodes, which is part of the IntelliBrew technology. Fairly took to the max line, which is there, right where my fingertip is. And you open this. And you will see where it says me first to shake. So give that little shake. Make sure the little tab thing here is my little finger. That goes in. Get it and close it down. I do like to put milk and sweeteners in extra. So down here you've got your basically one button does everything. You just press it and you wait for the magic to happen. This will be a raw video as well, so there will be no editing like clipping the frames together and stuff. And you'll also see as well, when the coffee machine is in operation, that light should flash. And this is the Costa cappuccino that I am having. As you can see there on the pod. Does kick out quite a bit of steam, but that is normal. I do apologise for the lack of commentary on this, or in some cases too much commentary. But as I said, this is just like a quick instructional video on how to use the Bosch Tassimo coffee machine. Now you open the top up, take out the milk pod. Again, the barcodes on this, and as you can see there, me second. So position the pod like you would do your first one. Push it down. The light is now solid. Press it once. It will flash to indicate operation. The noises and everything, they are perfectly normal and are to be expected. It is quite a large cup, so that's why it looks like there's it's underfilling it. As I said, it is quite a large cup. I've opened the top. Remove your pod. Close the top back down. And in the side, right down here, you'll see a little disc, the Tassimo disc. Again, that has a barcode on, for those who like to have a very full cup of coffee, like myself. This is what we do, you put it in, like you would a normal pod. See a little gap in there? That is where that will line up. And that will then just put out red hot water, that is it. So again, solid light, the flashing light to indicate operation. As you can see, it's just pumping out just hot water, that is it. not far off done now. It may overspill a little bit, but very much doubt it. Plenty of steam. Open the top. Take out your little orange disc. Put it back in the side. Put the top back down. And hey presto. Nice cup of cappuccino. Thank you guys for watching. And this is Ricky, and I'll wish you a goodbye and a Merry Christmas.